right, so recording once again that, see, it says 400 degrees, and this also says 400 degrees, and you'll note that the fan has once again turned off because the oven has turned off. It is slowly getting less and less, but it won't say it on here because there seems to be some kind of disconnect.
I've got a question for you.
What?
Did you do anything like trying to change the
I
temperature?
did not. This time there was no change in temperature. Oh, it turned itself on again just now, and it's starting to cook again. But why it turned itself off, I do not know. And I did not change the temperature. Do we want to bother getting the thing and sticking it in? And I'm not going to bother this time.
I am curious to see how much it's cooled down. Sorry. I'll do that.
I was wondering why the meatballs were taking so long to cook. It's because the oven was not on. All right, don't put it in the pan, remember?
Right.
Just stick it somewhere. Now it's turning on again. Now I feel the heat coming back on.
Yep. Just give it a minute.
That's against the pan. Can you just put it below?
Sure.
Thank you. Great. Thank you. That's awesome. Just close it. Wash your fingers.
Good.
All right, let's see what it is.
Oh, yeah.
Are you kidding me with this? No wonder it wasn't cooking. I mean, literally, look, 400. That's not 400. Even if it's slowly going up, it should pop up. Oh my God.
Let's just give it a second and see where we get to.
What?
Nothing, you're just holding it steady, that's all.
Oh.
I know.
I'm so annoyed. I mean, it's heating back up again, so
No, but we're gonna see. Yeah, it's turned back on again.
Like if we turned the oven off and turned it back on, we'd see how far away from being preheated
It's just turned back on again. But let's see where it's gonna get to. Oops, gotta hold my hand steady.
There.
All right, maybe I'll get to 300.
Slowing down at 298 and 299. And again,
And now
it turned itself back on.
Right. We're now in the realm of like, is it heating now because we turned it back on? The fact that it did not heat.
See, it's stopping.
Stalled.
It's about 300, and it's slowly heating up from 300, even though it says it's 400. This says it's 400. It's not 400. It turned itself off once again, and I did not change the temperature.